Go 777.
Oh. Oh. Blech. Okay. Gina, I'm coming home. Gina. Bye-bye. Here, chat. We are here. We're here. Chat. Okay, let's find a vet. It should be around here. Gina! Ugh. Thank you for the song, Jinnytty, thank you.
Fly angel fly.
I walked almost 10 kilometers without stopping.
You are my destiny. You are my destiny.
Uh-oh. Starting to rain a little.
You are my everything.
Over there. That's it. That one. That's it. Gina. Gina. Ah, my stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Ah, okay.
我要帮你再去那个吗？
Ah, oh.
Okay 吗
No, here is okay.
OK，我帮你
Thank
带
you.
过去，
Ah,
帮你带过去，
ah, 没有事，没有事。
不用。
Here is okay. Okay.
Okay.
谢谢 Thank you so much. 谢谢 Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Hello. Oh, you're here. Oh, helper, so nice. Okay. Let's check out Gina. Arrived.
那基本上它，所以我们要带回家吗？暂时性的。那儿童这部分呢，你就是看你要用
Ah,
用药。
how is Gina?
用药，
哦，
你就直接抹在上面就可以了。或者你要用
他的耳朵
一
好长。
点点就好，这样就可以了。
一天磨几次？
早晚抹，
早晚磨。
哦，或者叫姐姐，你可以用棉花棒，棉花棒，好，你用棉花棒去帮他涂抹就可以，这样就可以了。
他会咬人吗？
不会，
不会，他很害怕，
为什么？
因为他
不认识啊，
不认识这里。
陌生的地方。
Did he shower?
就好。
No,
No.
this is Dr. Zhong.
Ah, hello.
Good morning, Jinny. Just wanted to say how proud of you I am for what you've accomplished so far in this Waddlethon. Yale, yeah, wiggle.
Only the skin issue.
So,
Other stuff is
not-
okay.
Not big deal.
Okay. Thank you for your tier 2 second time. Thank you, thank you.
我想到
Only everywhere else is okay. Everywhere else is
Yeah.
okay. Okay. And then do I need to shower her, right?
Yes, probably.
Yeah. Okay.
我妈为什么要摸吗？
It's okay, Gina.
So you're gonna take her with you, or
Yeah, I'll take her with me.
okay?
Hey, thank you for the song. Thank you. And what about this?
So
What am I
this
supposed
is the cream.
Cream?
Twice a day,
Twice a day.
morning
Okay.
and
Morning
evening.
and evening.
Yeah. And
Can the
then-
doctor? How old is her? I don't know.
医生，
Like what food? What kind of food I should be?
这样看得出来他大概几岁吗
你说他大致上来讲，在3个月左右。
3个月.
？Only 3
3
months.
months. Only 3 months, baby.
然后你说这个是两 cc， 早晚吃，
爸爸，我可以摸它吗？
可以啊，你可以摸，
It's okay, Gina.
不要摸，不会，它不会咬人。
Okay.
它会。
Only the skin, which I have to apply the cream
And
morning and the evening,
this one medicine 2 cc,
2
also
cc.
twice a day.
twice a day.
Yeah.
Okay.
The same as the cream.
Okay. Same as the cream.
Do they have a leash?
Okay.
比较晚。
没有啊，
How do I do they sell yeah, let's buy some food for the dog.
谁要带回
And
家？
then also
She already
leash.
had one
谁
can.
要带它
Oh,
回家？
okay. So for today is okay.
Already had one can, so I think maybe
那谁要
tomorrow.
带它回家？
So buy some food.
为什么？
Buy some food. Do they also have leash?
可是它又没有主人，
I can't.
还要养它吗？
Gina, it's okay. It's gonna scared.
名字吗？
It's gonna be okay.
Gina.
Gina, Gina, it's gonna be okay.
跟科梅老师一模一样。
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
为什么会觉得这样看有点为什么那个觉得？
Only 3 months, guys. Only 3 months. Holy shit.
为什么那个觉得这样看有点？
To buy some food for her.
可是它又不会讲话。
It's okay.
你也可以给他取一个名字啊。
Leash to take her in the hotel. 눈 이쁘죠?
So where is the destination today?
Yuanlin station. Wait a second. Thank you so much for 5 gifted stuff. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. Thank you so much.
我真的碰它的鼻子了。
Discord 777.
네.
我会想要摸它的。
I'll give her a blanket so they can sleep.
那个姐姐在跟谁？
Cute. Okay. Okay, chat. What do we
那个姐姐
need?
在跟她讲
Food,
在跟谁讲？
and then pee place, and
对呀。
what breed is Gina? Do you guys know?
摸它的字。啊。对，很
Can I sleep in bed? Oh yeah, vaccine.
它的
Does
指
she
甲
need
太
vaccine?
尖了吧
Like some
Can they
shots
keep her
to
overnight?
protect-
Yes, but she already had some kind of medicine to get rid of.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to say.
Can they keep her overnight? Can they keep her?
好瘦哦。
No.
他怎么了？他为什么他的头不见了？他的毛嘞？
Shepherd and kangaroo.
Can't imagine what a 3-month-old dog has been through to be so scared. QQ.
I know, right?
你要洗澡。
那谁要帮他洗澡啊？
要找。
他自己。
Gina.
他
Okay, so buy food, leash,
他自己
and
自己用他的舌头舔他的头。
food, leash, and then poo poo place, pee pee place. I think all the other things is good. And then apply medicine. Oh, shampoo, baby shampoo.
Thank you, Jimbo, for taking care of that puppy.
Buckaroo, thank you for performance. Thank you so much. Poo poo. Oh, shampoo.
哎呦，我真的摸他的脚了。
Yeah.
我可以摸他的脚。
Collar. Okay, collar. Teddy, can you write it and then send it to me? Yeah, I mean, the hotel said I need to have Gina on a leash if I want to keep her in the
爸爸，
hotel.
但是他会
So
叫吗？
Leash, food, poo poo pee pee place,
可以
shampoo,
摸他的这。
and toy. Collar. A little bit of blanket.
我摸他的屁屁。哎呀，好脏哦！他等一下大便呢。
It's okay, Gina. Gina. Sunyo, thank you for 5 gifts. Thank you so much. How am I gonna take picture though? How am I gonna take picture with people? How am I gonna take
好
picture?
臭。
No, don't.
There's one shop
Mm-hmm.
also on the way to the station,
Oh, okay.
but already closed. So, but they probably can help her to
Okay.
clean up.
Here?
Not here, another shop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for 5 gifts. Welcome, thank you.
谁呀？你过来一下，你过来一下。
Kids are grabbing Gina's tail and throwing. Kids.
姐姐，你过来一下。
来，你们过来。
Kids.
我给你看一个。哎呀，好恶心啊！
Anonymous, thank you for 10 gifts. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. arigatou for the gifts. Thank you.
我摸他都会
Cute kids. I know, kids are so cute. You know, when I was a kid, I loved dogs too, but I didn't know how to take care of dogs, so I would just like grab dog wherever, and dogs were scared of me.
为什么他受伤了？
Reminds me of that time. So cute. Cute kids. No, when I was a kid. Now, they're a lot more gentle to dogs than me when I was a kid. Can sniper hold dog while I take a picture? I don't know.
So I just send the address and the shop. Yeah. To
Which
you.
shop? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is it? Didn't you say it's closed though?
Close now
Uh
and open tomorrow morning 9:30.
huh. Okay.
Yeah.
So I go in the morning.
or I find you another one. So you stay tonight
手臂的也有。
In
at the station.
Oh yeah, around there.
Okay.
毛好痒啊！我刚刚摸它的毛了，有刚摸它的毛。
Smell like shit? What smell like shit? Super cute kid, I know. It's okay, Gina.
不会给你狗狗饼干，我也不会给你头饼干。
Here.
There's another one
Those are all for.
that are open. I can look. I'll just buy some stuff here first. Okay. Gina.
535，这是535。哎，它量体重哎，它535。
No, all the shop around station closed.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's healthy. Only some skin issue, that's it. $50 best around.
Buy some food for Gina.
Thank you. They have shampoo, try. Look at this. Hi. They have shampoo. Okay, let's buy food. Shampoo. Leash. Some stuff we can buy. Thank you so much for $50. Thank you. Oh. Okay, how about station is another 1-something kilometer away. With Gina, I think it might be a little difficult. Maybe here, photo station here, and then take a photo, and then I go back to hotel from here, and then take care of Gina. How about no pics today? I mean, I'm taking day off tomorrow, and the people probably already been waiting, so I'll keep the promise. Yeah, let's save spot here. Save spot here. Mods, can you announce the change? Can you change the state? Can you change to the photo destination? Here? Yeah, to here. To here. Actually, yeah, so no pick is fine. I don't know. What about people who are waiting? How far is the station? Station is
By walk about
22 minutes.
30.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
30, yeah.
它不是野狗，它是野猫。爸爸眼睛一条线的是野猫吗？
对，这只猫，这旁边是狗狗。
旁边是有人，旁边是一般的狗，然后它是野猫，因为它也只有一只。
I know Gina is important, so while Gina is like chilling here, I quickly take photos and then go to hotel and then take care of.
然后这个是野狗。
是有人养的。
Gina.
把你自己看我的。
不要翻，看起来。
你不是有带一个水在哪里？
对啊，你拿给姐姐，你拿给姐姐，你拿给姐姐，
Yeah.
水拿给姐姐。整袋拿给姐姐。
So let's have a safe spot here. Yeah, safe spot is here. And then, because this place gotta close, group photo. Safe spot here. People come here. Group photo for today. Yeah, group photo. And then I go to hotel, and then I will have a for today. Nara, thank you for 10 gifted subs. Thank you, shout out to the guest is busy. Thank you so much. Yeah, group photo today. Because I have to take care of Gina. Yeah. Okay. Hope you understand. Thank you.
姐姐这个给你，
Hi. Thank you.
这个给你，拿给姐姐啊。
Thank you. You guys are so cute. 你们很可爱。Thank you. Okay. Can I buy some food and then which shampoo I need to get?
他会讲我们的文吗？
中文一点点。
哎呀，只是100。
How quickly plans change. What a precious little bundle of fur. You are a good soul. Waddle waddle.
Waddle waddle. Okay, chat. And today's safe spot is going to be here. So I'm gonna stop logging here. Saved. And do they have a... I haven't eaten yet. It's okay, I'll eat later. Can I ask which food and then which shampoo I have to get?
这样如果狗狗要吃，还是有什么洗澡的用品？
洗澡。爸爸你看。
你们有卖吗？
爸爸你看。
沐浴乳之类的。
爸爸你看。
啊？
爸爸你看。爸爸。
好，帮我去。
没有，他现在来讲话，他现在有一个问题，
嘿，
Oh
他现在是后续的问题，
I freaked out a
没有办法
little.
处理吧，对不对？
So, what about after tonight? Are you gonna take Gina with you?
Yeah, I asked the hotel. It's okay.
Have a good dinner and sleep well. Enjoy the day off.
Yeah.
She'd be fuck off.
Her
Yeah. Hotel said it's okay.
only tonight or
Oh, tonight and tomorrow.
tonight?
And then and then I'll have to figure out tomorrow, like, yeah.
因为现在他有一个问题是，
他这2天会在饭店，那饭店会有地方让他放，对。
是可以，但是变成说现在有一个小姐她打电话过来说，就是看他基本上就是在问他有没有办法处理这只狗啦。
那所以他有办法吗？
应该是没有办法，但是因为如果他有办法，就是我们还是做办法。
Yeah. What did they say?
因为他有带宠，他也是这2天而已。他后续他说他也要再想办法。
Tired.
那不如就直接让。
还是你请他，我叫这个小姐跟他讲电话一下。我小姐跟我一下。
Hello。
Yeah.